Let us look at a more complex example of a function now that you understand the basics. So this is our example. Say you are helping a friend to calculate their weekly paycheck after taxes. They are in the 12% tax bracket. That means they only go home with 88% and they are paid hourly at a rate of $15 per hour. So the function below calculates the paycheck based on the number of hours our friend has worked. The function is more complicated than the previous example because the function has more lines of code and there is more comments which explain what the code is doing. Similar to the example above though, the function has a single argument which is num hours like we have called it. In the function body, we have the following. We use the value of num hours to specify the value for a new variable called pay pre-tax. That is the amount that this person will be paid before the taxes. Then we use the value of pay pre-tax to specify the value for a new variable. We call it pay after tax. The return statement brings back the value of pay after the tax. We call this function the same way we called the first function. For example, if our friend worked for 40 hours, we take 40 and we supply it as an argument. The value that will come back will be $528. If in another month, our friend worked for 32 hours, we take 32 and we supply it as an argument, and the value that will come back will be $422.4. As you can see, when we write an argument, we don't have to make the calculation again. We just supply the things that change and we keep the function constant. It helps us to avoid errors and we can do so much more with our functions.